You are stronger than your thoughts. There will be moments in life when your mind tries to convince you to quit, when doubt gets louder than your vision, when fear feels bigger than your faith, and when the weight of uncertainty makes you question whether you're even capable of building the life you want. But the truth is, your thoughts are temporary. They come and go. They shift with emotions, circumstances, and setbacks. What defines you isn't the thought, it's the decision you make despite it. Strength isn't about never feeling fear. It's about moving forward even when fear is present. It's about standing up one more time when life knocks you down. It's about reminding yourself that your future is not determined by your current situation. It's determined by your willingness to keep going. Too many people let overthinking steal opportunities that were meant for them. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect conditions. But success has never belonged to the people who waited. It belongs to the ones who moved, while uncertain, while uncomfortable, while everyone else stayed still. And if you've been looking for a sign to bet on yourself, this is it. At TruPowur, we've created an opportunity for people who are ready to step outside of their comfort zone and build something real. Something that doesn't depend on asking for permission, waiting on a promotion, or hoping someone else decides your worth. This is about ownership, building residual income, and helping people save money on something they already need every single day. Because when you realize you're stronger than your thoughts, you stop letting excuses control your life. You start seeing obstacles as opportunities. You stop surviving and start building. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.